How to shuffle tiles in Vita Mahjong. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can do it. First of all, open the application. Now, you can simply tap on the level that you're in. So here I'm inside the level. So this is the playing interface. Here, you'll be able to find different tiles and this is the gameplay that we're in. Here on the left bottom, you can see this shuffle button. Simply tap on this shuffle button. So as you can see, the tiles have been automatically shuffled and now you can start matching the tiles and scoring different points. But make sure there are only some limited shuffles because the game doesn't provide you. You must find all the tiles by yourself and have 3 limited shuffle inside the game. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video will help you.